Okay guys, hey, so we're back home finally. If you live in the DMV, you already know how that traffic is, like just garbage. It's about 2:40, so I do want to take a walk. I do have therapy at 4, so I want to get a walk in between before that. But basically, yeah, I've been doing a lot more walking as cardio, just really long, hour-long walks. My goal is now 10K steps a day or every other day. It used to be 8K. I started at 5K, so I've just kind of been building myself up. So now my max, like my ultimate goal would be 10K. I've noticed a lot of more definition in my legs, and I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I haven't lost weight and I've gained a little bit of weight. And it's been just a lot of muscle growth. I've seen a big difference in my legs, and a lot of people like in my life have seen a difference in my legs. So it's definitely muscle growth. But I am, you know, that number is discouraging, but when you do measurements and pictures, you look good, but then the number on the scale, which is why you can't really judge everything by the scale. So I talked about this already, that my goal is more so to be toned and muscular than to be any mini skinny. So, but I do want a healthy balance of that. So I wouldn't mind losing a few of the pounds, but I don't want to lose too much of a muscle growth. So that's kind of where I am in my journey right now. Another reason I've been doing a lot of walking is because I hurt my knee. I strained it, sprained it, over-exercised it, exerted it, whatever you want to say. I messed up my knee. So yes, I do need to go get it checked out. But in the meantime, I know it's from not stretching and not having a lot of mobility in my workouts. So that's kind of something I'm also working on. So I think I'm just kind of like gonna dedicate a day to just walking and stretching and mobility. So that's gonna be today. So as of today, it's August 1st, and Vitamin Shop, thumbnail, Vitamin Shop is having like $1 Oxyshred drinks. Apparently every week they switch up the energy drinks. I know one week he was saying was C4, so check out Vitamin Shop. I knew Oxyshred was having a sale because I follow a lot of influencers that work with Oxyshred, so I grabbed some. I like trying different pre-workout. You all know, if you've been following me for a while, I love Alani Nu powder pre-workout and their cans, but I like to switch things up once in a while. So I got 4 cans, and I'm going to be trying them this week. I don't think I need to try anything today because I did have my Starbucks with my shot of espresso in it. So apparently these are vegan friendly, no jitters, zero crash, gluten free, just natural kind of caffeine. It does have 10 calories. But yeah, so sodium's 25, but there's no sugars, there's no protein, there's no fat. So I don't know. I got a few flavors of these, so during the week you'll probably see me drinking these. I've never tried Oxyshred. I don't think I've ever tried it, so they have a lot of flavors. Like, okay, you guys, I just got out of therapy. I feel like I've been in this room all day, and I'm going to continue to be in this room all day. Decided not to go outside for a walk, but I am going to do a Grow with Joe workout. If you're, you know, on the internet, I'm sure you've heard of Grow with Joe. She does these like walking workouts, and they're just in your house, in your home. Anybody can do them, yada yada. So I did a challenge of doing her workouts for a week, I think. So check that video out. But I'm gonna do just one of her quick little 30-minute workouts. Then I'm gonna do a 30-minute stretching with my foam roller. So let me go ahead and pick out this workout, and you guys can watch me. What I usually do is put her workout up here on my TV screen. Then I set up my iPad. And on my iPad, I'll like watch a show that I actually want to watch. So I'll set it up next to it. So that way I can watch my show and do her workout at the same time. She does have music and things playing in the background, but like I don't want to listen to that. I mean, no offense to her, I just don't want to listen to it. So make sure I have batteries. I just go to YouTube on my TV, go to my account, and I just click my Grow with Joe video. And I already have it queued up in my watch later. And this is going to count as an indoor workout. And it's 5 on the dot, so we are on schedule today. I'm watching Rap Shit on HBO Max. Issa Rae's new show. So check it out. And oh my god, Aaliyah Face just dropped a new vlog. I might watch that. But yeah, my camera's about to die, but I'm about to just queue up Grow with Joe and I'll hit you guys back. I just made shrimp pesto pasta with some mixed veggies. Honestly, this meal is super easy to make. I used protein noodles to add some extra protein. And the mixed veggies is just a huge bag from Costco. I don't know if Costco's a worldwide thing, but Sam's Club, something like that. It's just a big bag of like stir-fried vegetables. It actually came out really good. I also got the shrimp from Costco, like a big just frozen bag of shrimp. I left the tail on, but I don't mind. It's good, y'all. I'm actually proud of myself. 6:30, so I do have room for like one more snack before I go to bed. Before my window's closed. Let me not eat with my mouth full. Y'all, I had a latte from Dunkin' Donuts today and it made me so sleepy. That's like the opposite effect it's supposed to do, right? I broke my fast with Dunkin', a turkey sandwich, which also is probably why I'm super sleepy. But yes, I have one more meeting today, and then right after my meeting I have to go to Pilates. I'm not comfortable in Pilates yet to like bring you guys, but I'll show you like what I can. I don't know, it's only my second real class, so I'm really excited. Me and my roommate go together, and I think I'm gonna wear one of my Lacey Fit fits. So, but before that, I do want to foam roll, because foam rolling changed to my life yesterday, okay? Y'all, I have been having knee pain all weekend, but I foam rolled just a good little 5 minutes yesterday. My knee's brand new. Brand new. So I'm gonna foam roll and I'll show you guys. Alright, so changed to my Lacey Fit, and we're just gonna do a quick 5-minute rolling routine. I clicked this guy's video, I'll link him below. But yeah, let's get started. Hi, roommate. We're at Pilates. Warming up. We're heading to the gym, y'all. So Pilates was really good yesterday, and sorry, let me set you up. I foam rolled and all that afterwards. Don't mind my face. I did a big no-no and popped a pimple. This was really good. So now we're about to go to the gym the next day. I think because I foam rolled and everything, I'm not that sore, but I was sore after Pilates. Like, look up what Pilates is, because people think it's just some cute little yoga stuff. It's not. It's not. They were trying peach candy rings. And it's okay, it's sweet. If I was like in a hurry and saw these, I'd grab peach ring again. So it's not bad. So fill up some water. I think today we're gonna do glutes. I'm gonna see, I feel like my knee feels okay. So I think I'm gonna try out glutes today. If it starts bothering me, we're gonna go do back. So I look a little crazy today because, well, y'all can't even see, but I have like 2 shirts on because I couldn't decide. Like, this shirt can definitely be worn on its own, but like it was a lot of cleavage going on. And the back is cute, but I put this shirt on top just in case I get a little, not insecure, but sometimes I'm just like, yeah, I don't want my boobies out. So, you know, we cover it up. And I'm wearing the Gymshark Animal Adapt shorts. Love these. I also got the matching top to these, but sometimes like too much animal print is too much animal print. So I'm running over my words, so I'm assuming this is working. I don't know, I really don't want to go today, but I have nothing else to do and I need to go because tomorrow's gonna be crazy. So yeah, let's get going. Hey you guys. Alright, so we're back from the gym and all that jazz. Sorry in advance for that like crappy angle. I just wanted to show you guys me in the gym to prove that I went. And I'm really starting to get back into hip thrusting, so let's keep track of how many plates we can get with that. I got new gym clothes. So I got a package from INAKA Power. I'll leave their website below. I also had some things from Amazon and other things like that, but I recorded that for TikTok. So follow me over on TikTok to see all my new Amazon purchases. Yeah. But you guys get to see INAKA. So INAKA is basically just another gym clothing brand. A lot of females like them because they have really good pump covers. And I was thinking, like, y'all probably don't know what pump covers are, or some people don't know. So a pump cover is essentially a really big t-shirt, and it covers up your pump. And your pump is basically, mainly we're talking about our butt, our booty. So when you work out, you know, your glutes or whatever, and you get that little plumpy pump, the t-shirt can cover it up if you feel like it needs to be covered up in the gym, or if you're leaving the gym and you want to just cover it up, because, you know, gym wear into like the outside world, like outside the gym, sometimes it don't translate too nicely. So basically they're just really big t-shirts that help cover your butt. But anyway, so I got 2 from INAKA. I will say I do like INAKA's like graphic tees and stuff. Like this one's really cute. This is their summertime one. Let me turn on the brightness, you guys. Like, why am I so bright? Is that better? It's a little bit better. But anyways, I like their graphic tees and things, but their shipping is, ooh, it's a little rough. Mind you, I'm spoiled from Amazon, so I'm used to getting my things in like a day or 2. They take almost 2 weeks to get to you, so that's not fun. But, you know, they are like a newer, younger company, so maybe they'll get better over time. Who knows? But anywho, so I finally got some more shirts. I got this one in a 2X just to get it nice and big. And it's a little teddy bear on like a donut. Like, I'll show you guys in a second. And then I got this INAKA one. I got this one in extra large because they didn't have it in 2X. But it's like a little gorilla. And this one has a back graphic tee. So I'm going to show you guys these. So here it is. This one doesn't have anything on the back. But I think it's so cute with the little bear and the little donut. And it just says INAKA Power Summer. That's actually really big on me. Okay. I like this one a lot because I like graphic tees that have a back graphic, and sometimes that's hard to find. So here it is. This one's with INAKA. It's a little gorilla with a bomb, and then in the back it says power, and he blew his little head off. So I think this one's really cute too. This is the 2X. Oh yeah, that's definitely a pump cover. Let me back up. So see how that like covers your butt? Yeah. So a lot of girls like to wear them hiked up. Let me show you. Like so. And then we leave the front out. Like this. Oh, that's so cute actually. Let me look in the mirror. Boom. I think this would be really cute with some yellow shorts that I don't own. Even gray shorts, which I don't own. And I do have a purple pair of leggings coming, but they're not this purple color. But either way, black will go. Okay. Oh yeah. So this one's the extra large, which I think I could have gotten away with, but I'm not mad. So this one also covers the butt. Oh, that's so cute. So let's see what you tuck it in. Oh yeah. This is cute. This is cute, like casual, like I like this. Boop. I like it. That's it. I'm gonna end here because who's editing all this footage? And it's just Wednesday, and I feel like I did a lot of stuff towards my fitness. So hopefully this inspired you guys, and I don't know, if you're on your fitness journey like I am, how's it going? It's July. Or no, it's August. Oh my gosh. It's August now. And I gotta eat soon because it's almost past my window of eating. So intermittent fasting has been going well. It's Wednesday, like I said, and I've been keeping up with it. So far so good. Keep you guys updated on intermittent fasting and everything else that I have going on. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you will be notified of my next video. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.